Hi everyone! So I asked you on Instagram if you wanted to see me try out for the first time this Rituals cosmetic skincare line. I bought a whole bunch of things, if you can see. We'll go through it together and then we'll try it out and see if it performs well, if I like it or if I don't like it. I hope I will like it. It wasn't that cheap. So we'll start first off with, I bought a what's it called? Silky Soft Cleansing Oil, and the line is called the Ritual of Namaste Clarifying. I bought mostly skin cleansing stuff because I'm running out of my regular things. I wanted to try something new, so I thought, because I love rituals, and I thought that would be a good time to try it out. So this is the Silky Soft Cleansing Oil, and it says, what does it say? This luxurious cleansing oil dissolves impurities and makeup, even waterproof, in a single step without disrupting the skin's natural balance. Transforms into a soft, milky lotion when it comes into contact with water, helping the skin to feel relaxed, hydrated, and subtle. Use pump cleansing oil. Yeah, and it has holy lotus and organic avocado. High performance skincare, carefully developed to enhance your skin's natural beauty, created with natural ingredients and fragrances in the world's leading laboratories. Glow from within by turning your daily skincare routine into a mindful rituals. I love the idea of Rituals Cosmetic to turn any skincare regimen into a ritual. I love that idea a lot. It's amazing, and I just love their stuff. They have really some good stuff. This one is Holy Lotus. The symbol of purity, beauty, and wisdom is known for its soothing and caring properties. And the organic avocado in it is known for its calming properties. So I'm very excited. How does it look? Oh, the bottles, don't they just look amazing? And it comes in a pump. Love a good pump. It's very liquidy, of course. It's an oil. I'm excited to try it. We'll try it out together. Also, I got a clarifying facial toner. Apply on a cotton wool pad to cleanse face and neck to any remaining impurities and close pores. So that's the last step. Exciting. And then we have, I bought two cleansing foams, because I usually go in twice, first with an oil and then with a soap or gel cleanser. I usually don't like foams too much, but I thought, because this one is a velvety smooth cleansing foam with moringa and holy lotus. Moringa tree is the Indian miracle tree known for its hydrating properties, and again the holy lotus. Mild soap-free creamy cleansing foam, luxurious gentle soap-free. This facial cleanser gently removes impurities and traces of makeup, and it comes in, how does that look like? Oh, that is really cute. It says Namasté. And it says, I bow to you, and my soul honors your soul. That's what Namaste means. Isn't that cute? It comes in a tube like that. And again, it's a velvety smooth cleansing foam. And it's more of like a gel texture. So I thought that would be really good for at night if you want to really get rid of everything that's on your skin. And then for the morning, I bought this gentle cleansing foam, again with moringa and holy lotus. And the bottle just looks amazing too. It looks so luxurious, this line. And I thought, because this comes out as like an actual foam, I think, yeah. So I thought this would be really, oh my god, it smells really good. I thought this was would be good for the mornings, because in the morning usually I don't like going in with like a harsh cleaner, So yeah, I thought this would be really good. And then the highlight of this line for myself is the Ritual of Namaste Purify Renewing AHA Glow Mask, and it contains AHA and Holy Lotus. Natural AHA is a multi-component fruit extract. It removes dead skin cells and helps to promote the cell renewal process. So I thought that would be really nice. I think it will give you a nice glow. And again, it has this really nice top. Again, it says, Namaste, I bow to you, my soul honors your soul. I honor the light, love, truth, beauty, and peace within you because it is also within me. In sharing these things, we are united, we are the same, we are one. I mean, isn't this just beautiful? And it comes in this really, really nice packaging. I mean, you know, it's not cheap. Like, it doesn't look cheap. I mean, it isn't cheap, but I just love this. I mean, this is gonna look so great in my bathroom. I'm so excited. And it says, this luxurious glow mask with natural AHA is designed to increase cell turnover and boost the skin's radiance. The mask lightly exfoliates the skin, leaving the complexion smoother, more refined, and illuminated. Leave for 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, so we will try that out in a minute. And also they gave me an ancient samurai, what is this? Energizing face balm. Okay, I think the samurai line actually is a man's line. I mean, it's a little sample size, as you can see. I think I will give that to my boyfriend so he can try that too. Alright, so as you can see, I'm still wearing a full face of makeup. I just got home from work. I'm excited. We'll try that out together now. I'll take you to my bathroom. So, we are in my bathroom, as you can see, and we'll start to try out those products. First, we'll go in with the cleansing oil by the Ritual of Namaste Purifying. So let's test it out. We'll do like 3 pumps. And we'll... Oh my god, that smells so good. Wow. I'm sorry, I do have a mirror over here that oh, it looks like it's taking off all the makeup. It definitely took off my Alright, let's wash it off. Right, so this looks like it already got off a lot of the makeup. Alright, so this looks already pretty clean if you ask me. And then now we will use next, yes, the cleansing foam. Gentle cleansing foam. My skin's wet again. And we'll go in with the, I don't know, how much would you use? We'll try a small amount like this. It smells just as amazing. Oh, it foams up really nice. All right. So, time to wash off. All right. I feel like my skin looks pretty clean if you ask me. This looks really clean. I don't know if you can see my eyes. The makeup's pretty off. We'll try the toner now and see if there's still any residue on my face. So that would be this one. We'll see what it does. Squirt a little bit on my cotton round. Smells not a lot. Not a lot came off anymore. So my face feels really soft. And now we'll go over to this baby, the AHA Glow Mask. I'm really excited to test it. So we'll see what this one does. All right, so it looks like this. It's like a gel-like texture. It doesn't smell like much, a little bit maybe fruity. So we'll just apply it on my skin and see. Oh, that feels sticky. Oh, and it becomes like a moussey. All right, that's the mask on. It feels really like almost hydrating. So we'll see. I'll let this sit for about 10 to 20 minutes and I'll be back and we'll wash it off and see what it did. All right, I'm back. The mask has been on for about 15 minutes now. As you can see, it kind of sunk into the skin. We'll wash it off now and see. It actually felt really nice. It didn't tingle, it didn't itch, it didn't burn. So that's always a good sign for a mask for me. So we'll wash it off and then we'll see what my skin looks like afterwards. All right. I honestly feel like my skin looks like super smooth, like I'm looking in the mirror next to here, and I feel like my skin looks it feels very good. It looks very good, I feel like. Very nice. I like that mask a lot. Wow. What do you think? How do I look? Okay, so I honestly liked all of the products a lot. The oil took off most of my makeup. The gentle cleansing foam, you know, that came out as a gel texture and foamed up on my skin, took off everything. And then I went in with the toner. The toner was very gentle. It took off all the rests, and the mask just wowed me. Like, honestly, my skin, I feel like it looks really good. I am impressed. You know, 2 thumbs up. I like it. If you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. Follow me also on Instagram. I do post a lot of pictures, a lot of beauty reviews about products and, you know, all kinds of things really. I would love to see you there, and I would love to see you here, and stay tuned for my next video. It's coming up next week. I'm trying to upload every Sunday for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye!